amazing. Today I'm out at the beach trying to see if we can find some clams. Fat hope. But nevertheless, today is very low tide now. As you can see, it's very low tide and the whole beach already extended quite far out. So probably at the corner there, the rocks, maybe I can try to find some clams or even better, oysters. Okay. I've basically have my soy sauce, ketchup, oyster, sesame and sugar and some garlic pepper. There's some onions. It's in the mess. I can see the Vietnamese tao nan. So don't expect too much. So I just bought the also. Here, yeah, got some eggs and noodles. So this is about cam life.